Hey guys, it's Tessa. So in today's video I'm going to be making a review on DonaLove hair extensions. Okay, so these hair extensions are in 613 bleach blonde. They are 22 inches, so that's super long. Oh my goodness. What I'm hoping to achieve is to make my hair thicker and give it some more volume on the sides, so we can make it all nice and poofy and try and like curl it and make it look really nice. So I'm going to be dyeing the extensions with Arctic Fox Purple Rain hair colour. This is the same colour as what I have on my hair right now, so we're going to get the perfect match hopefully. So I'm going to put this straight onto the extensions after I finish washing them, probably let them dry a little bit, and then they'll be ready to be applied onto my hair and we'll see what they look like. I'm really excited. The body of the extensions are quite thick, so while I'm washing the extensions I'm just going to keep a little tie on the top just to help keep them together so we don't knot them up. So the strips on the top of the extension here, you cannot dye them, but I do have a purple Sharpie pen that I'm going to be colouring this in to conceal the tapes. So let's see if these hair extensions are good. I mean, they look really nice. They are. They feel really soft. Okay, so we're gonna dye the extensions now. I'm just gonna put some oil down the extensions. They are still a little bit wet, but I'm thinking I'm gonna leave them wet like that, and it will help with the hair dye just to spread a little bit easier on them when they are damp. Otherwise I would mix the hair dye with a little bit of conditioner anyway. So we're just gonna pop them straight onto the extensions and just take off a little tie at the top. So you need two pieces to put together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll try 6 pieces for the moment, and I can put them in my hair. Not quite a full head. A full head I'll probably end up using like 60 pieces, but I did put 2 together, so it's like double, and you need to stick the 2 and sandwich between your hair, and then that's how it goes. One pair of gloves I found right at the bottom of the drawer. So the hair dye does not stain anyway. If you guys are interested in trying Arctic Fox hair colour, I do have a discount code that you can use. I will put in the video description box for you. It's my favourite purple of all time. So I'm just going to put the hair dye straight out the bottle into the bowl and whack it onto the extensions. covered the extensions with the hair dye, I'm just going to massage them in with my hands. Okay, so now I've completely saturated the hair extensions with the hair dye. Just going to leave them for 45 minutes just to process the colour. I'm going to put some oil over the top just to help with the processing time. Okay, so I'll get back to it in about 45 minutes and then I'm going to rinse. Okay, so the extensions have now been left for about 45 minutes. They're ready to be rinsed out. And we'll see what we're left with. Oh, they're super pretty. This colour is gorgeous. Okay, so I just finished washing the dye from the extensions, just letting them dry out now. I'm not going to use a hairdryer or anything, so I'm just going to let them dry naturally. And I have to say, I really like this hairbrush. It's lovely. It's like my new favourite hairbrush. It's so nice. Okay, so I've got hair dye all over my nails, but that doesn't matter. So I like to conceal this strip along the top here with a permanent marker in the same colour as the hair dye, and this really does help conceal that strip when it is in your hair, so you don't see it on your head and you haven't got anything on show. So finished colouring in the strips on the top with the permanent marker. Right, so I'm just going to leave the extensions to dry and we'll see what it's like. Okay, so I'm going to straighten the hair extensions before I put them in my hair, just because I feel like the texture would match my hair a little bit better, so put them in and they should be hidden. Already, look at the difference. Whoa! Yes! Cool. Just going to show you how I did it with the straighteners, just kind of wave it up. So here's one of the extensions. Also helps to blend it in with the hair as well when you have curls or waves. So then just kind of turn it as you pull it down. That. extensions, they curl really nicely, look. Ooh. I think I've finished curling. Looks nice. Just brings some extra volume to the hair, and the extensions, they blend in pretty good. So overall, I'm really happy with the extensions. I didn't even need to use that many pieces just to fill out my hair, make it thicker and look longer. Especially now I've curled them with the straighteners, it just looks so natural looking. So that's really nice, and they took really nicely with the hair dye. I used Arctic Fox hair colour. So this is vegan and cruelty free hair dye. It doesn't contain any peroxide or any ammonia or anything. It's just so good. It's my favourite dye, and if you're interested in trying this hair colour and the extensions, I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it in the video description box for you. Ooh, 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 sassy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.